Hi my besties, welcome back to the channel. So today I'm going to be showing you how I made my peanut. Guys, this peanut is so rich and so delicious. You're going to want to make this, trust me on that. If it's something you're interested to, let's get right into this video. So this is our granite, is the raw granite. What you want to do first of all is pick out every dirt in it. This I was lucky because it was super clean and I was really happy about that. So this is 2 cups of granite, and to this I'm going to be adding salt. So I added a little bit of salt, but you can add more if you want. And next I'm adding my hot water. So you want to put hot water in this. After your salt, you add your hot water, and you're just going to leave this. You stir it and you leave it for 5 to 10 minutes. I left mine for 10 minutes, and after that I strained out the water. You can see how clean it is looking. Let me show you guys what the water looks like. This is what the water looks like, and I used it to fertilize my plant. Okay. So I brought out my tray, and now I'm just going to spread this granite on my tray. So if you don't want to overcrowd it, you can use 2 trays, but I used one and I had to sun it outside for an hour. It's a Harmattan season, so yeah, it's going to dry on time, but I left this for 1 hour. If you're sunning it outside, what you want to do is look for a net sheet or a netty cloth that you can use to cover it to prevent flies. After 1 hour, I went to bring it and you can see how it was looking. It was looking already dried. Okay, so and so beautiful. And I had a taste of this. It was so nice. The salt gave it a very beautiful taste. So the next thing you're going to need is 2 eggs. You can use more than this, but I went in with 2 eggs because it's not much. And then little bit of sugar. And then little bit of salt as well. Sprinkle it in, and then next I'm going to be adding 1 teaspoon of my vanilla essence, and I'm going to give this a good mix. You want to stir this very well so everything is well and fully combined. So after I finish mixing this, well, I had to set it out aside. Next, I'm adding 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour into a clean dry plate or bowl. So that was 1 cup, and this is half into it. And the next, I went in with this flavored powder. This is vanilla flavored powder. And also next to it, I'm going to be adding my powder. So this is peak milk powder I used there. And next, I'm adding my nutmeg to this. Another great thing, if you like cinnamon, you can add cinnamon, little bit of cinnamon. It is very good. So this is our granite. I put it back in the bowl. I was using the glass bowl. And what you want to do is run in some egg wash into it and then sprinkle with the flour. So now I'm going to be adding my flour to this. And what you want to do is shake. So you can do it. The best way for me is to do it in circular motion, which I did not in this video. And now you can see how it's looking. So you want to repeat this step over and over again. The best, like I said, is move in circular motion. I didn't, but move in circular motion. It's going to give it, shake in a circular motion. It's going to give it that round shape. For me, no, I didn't do that. And I did not care because it was just something I was making for the house to eat. You're going to see a lot of them sticking like this. Just dip your hand into a little bit of flour and separate them. So I had to change the bowl I was using because that glass bowl was really heavy. So you have to like shake. Now you can see how it is. It's no more sticky to each other. If you want it to be fuller, you can, continue doing it. Add more egg wash and then flour. You're going to have a thicker base. Okay, so after doing that, you want to filter it all. So filter it to remove the remaining flour or excess flour from it and put somewhere and then fry on a low heat. So this is what we got. Guys, it was so delicious. Trust me, they've even finished it. I hope you'll be trying this out. Where are you watching from? Leave your comment in the comment section so I can give you a shout out in the next video. I hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to like, share, subscribe. I love you. And I will see you in my next video. With love, recipe with Angel Urori.